Do you know what I'm thinking? That the gods are having feast in Valhalla, and they drink too much, and they decide to come to Earth to see us, and celebrate New Year with us. That's what I think. Many of my poems, stories, short stories are coming from here. Actually, not exactly at this spot, but this area. There is a dog over there. Every time he sees me, he barks. I think he likes me. In summertime here is very beautiful. You see typical Norwegian houses. When I see the forest, it reminds me of trolls, fairies, spirits, the forest of spirits. I actually made a film about Haldra. It's in our folklore, it's a beautiful woman, the forest spirit, lure men to her cave. She lives in a cave and she has this long tail. Actually, there are two versions. Some people say she has this hole in her back, looks like a forest. Some say she has this tail, long tail, cow tail, and lure men with her beauty and eats them. In Nordic countries, there are different versions of Huldra, as we say in Norwegian, Haldra in English. Alright then, let's go toward the lake. I'm here. Yeah, and in Finland, Sweden, Denmark, they have their own versions. We have our own version of Haldra. Did I say I made a film about it? And I also have a feature film. It's snowing. Oh, it's so wonderful. I don't think you can see the snow. The north is having a feast tonight.